to the channel. This is going to be a very quick overview of one of the stocks of 35 that are been chosen by YCharts to be closely approximating Peter Lynch-like style investment. They screen for stocks that are low microcap, small cap stocks that have a low PEG ratio, a reasonable debt to equity ratio, and something of a dividend yield as well. So I've made some videos of a few of these companies already, but right now I'm going to be taking a look at this guy right here, Sisecam Resources LP. The ticker symbol is SIRE. Remember, do your own due diligence. This is just a quick overview. I have not really invested in any of these stocks, and I don't know a ton about them. So yeah, make sure you do your own due diligence, and if you're thinking about doing or investing in any of these companies. So anyways, this is Sisecam Resources. YCharts gives it a Y rating of neutral, a value score of 10 out of 10, the fundamental score is 6 out of 10. The valuation is 21.7.2% undervalued. The profile, it says here, Sisecam Resources LP is engaged in the production and sales of natural soda ash from its facility located in Green River, Wyoming. The company is a member of American Natural Soda Ash Corporation, which manages soda ash supply chains. Geographically, the company segments are divided into two that are domestic segment and international segment, which includes the ANSAC and the CIDD. Yeah, so anyways, this company is located in Georgia. The sector is based on materials, industries, chemicals. Yeah, it's got a market cap of just under 500 million, a dividend yield of just under 8%, 5-year revenue growth of 7.68%, revenues 13.53% quarterly year-over-year growth. EPS 5-year growth is 8.62%. EPS diluted quarterly year-over-year growth 48%, just over 48%, which is pretty good. Debt to equity ratio is non-existent. Return on equity is 30% or just over 30%. The PE is just over 8. So let's look at some of the key stats here. Does it have long-term debt? Yes, it does. It has 137 million in long-term debt. And it looks like over time it's been roughly around that area, about 137 million. So no debt reduction going on there. Cash and short-term investments. Does it have a lot of cash? Or what's it doing with its cash? Looks like it's been increasing its cash in the last few quarters. Anyways, we got the free cash flow. It's got 93 million free cash flow. The payout ratio on the dividend is 139.8%, which is pretty good. This dividend yield looks like it's trending-ish upwards. Yeah, definitely come up since the bottom here. Something happened in spring of 21. Doesn't have a PEG ratio. Yes, it does. It's 0.0492, which is incredibly low. So I guess by Lynch's metrics, this would be undervalued. Yeah, anyways, let's look at the shares outstanding here. What's it doing with the shares? Not much. Okay, so yeah, I don't know a lot about Sisecam Resources LP. SIRE is the ticker symbol. Or I really don't know a lot about soda ash either, but yeah, I mean, if you're interested in knowing more about this company, let me know. I can definitely dig into it a little bit more. I mean, for me personally, I probably don't think I would be too interested in it, but yeah, you never know. Maybe there's somebody out there with some soda ash experience who can tell us what's going on with this company and whether or not it's like a worthwhile investment. If you're interested in keeping up to date with what's happening with this list of 35 stocks, the Peter Lynch Portfolio, check out my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. I update the site with this list of stocks routinely. I also have a newsletter there, so if you're interested in keeping up to date with that, subscribe to the newsletter. I'll make sure you get notified anytime we're doing an update. And then also you can subscribe to this channel where I plan on doing more of these kinds of videos. Okay, thanks very much.